Jennifer Elizabeth with Perry Peak Liz Vlogs. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I have a really fun unboxing video in store for you. Recently I purchased some different boxes from Etsy and they were mystery boxes, and this particular one right here is actually a combination of two boxes. The description right here, it was an Asian, Japanese, Korean, hand-picked assorted kawaii mystery bag is what the seller called them. She did combine both of the boxes. I bought a small and a medium. The small was $16.99 and the medium was $22.99. That way I was able to get the free shipping. So without further ado, let's see the fun things inside this box. I did already cut off the label and look inside. It's so cute. I didn't go through the whole box yet, but look at that cuteness right there. So cute. So this box could have, she said in her description, could have some stationery, pencils, pens, stickers, different things like that that are themed Kawaii and Sanrio. So I'm hoping to get some Hello Kitty or something like that in there. I'm wearing my cat ears because I've always loved Hello Kitty. I love my Melody. I've loved all those cute characters since I was a kid. So this is super fun for me. She did this cute little, I love the tissue paper. Let me take this off like this. So it's a little thank you with some stickers in there. I'll open up the stuff at the end if anything's sealed. So like I said, this is a combination of two boxes. I did look on her site again to see if I could actually find the descriptions, but I couldn't because she sold out of the bags and boxes. Doesn't mean she's not going to do them again. She still has tons and tons of choices, and I will put a link to her shop down below, so definitely check it out. Okay, first item. I love the tissue paper too. It's so pretty. Oh, cute little pouch. Says cherry on it. Very, very cute. So this could be like a pencil case or a little makeup case for lipsticks, lip glosses, little eyeshadow, things like that. Brushes, little travel tote. So adorable. I love that little character. So cute. And then we have some cool Line Plus Mild Light. 6 colors. So what we'll do is we'll open it and we'll test one because I'm not sure whether they're pens or highlighters and it's written in Korean, so. Okay, next. Oh, so cute. Some little sticky notes. Banana. So cute. And look, it has a little banana and there's even a little banana on the bear's head. That's what it looks like in the back. I love these mystery boxes. I like mystery boxes in general. I think it's so much fun to get them and to just see what you get inside. Cute, cute little sticky notes or little page markers, however you want to use them. But they are super cute. Little chick, looks like a little bunny and a strawberry. Okay. And there's another notepad. This is like a list, almost like a to-do list pad. Right there. I have some more items coming in as well. I ordered some Kawaii sticker boxes, some different stationery sets, so I will have more unboxings. I hope that you like these videos. They're super, super fun. It's another little notepad. Yeah, with sticky notes. So cute. Okay, and then this is, it says milk tea. Probably a little notebook or a little mini journal. Lots of stuff in here, my goodness. Best friends. Oh, and it says happy. So cute. I collect this stuff. I love stationery, different kinds of sticky note stationery. Those of you who have been watching my channel for a while, you guys probably already know that because a lot of times in my giveaways, I'll have some funky stationery or sticky notes, fun things like that. I just think it's so much fun. So yeah, this is perfect for me. It's little cute. They look like little tags. So this is what these look like, little clear stickers. Almost like little photo frames too. It's probably what they are. Oh, a surprise inside the surprise. Let's see what it is. Oh yeah, she did say something about this. A whole bunch of washi tape. Oh, I hope that we can see them. Hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna try to get this so you can see them. Like that right there. Really pretty. Oh my goodness, tons and tons of different, oh, cute little bicycles. You can see those better because they're not pastel. Oh, some more cute little pastel flowers. Oh, little stars. So cute. Black, white, and gray. Very cool. Some more beautiful, beautiful flowers, daisies. Oh, little cute animals. So cute, little succulents, bunnies. Oh, this is a really thin one. Oh my goodness. And this right here is beautiful too. Flowers. So that's the washi tape. Very cool. Still a ton more in here, guys. Look. Like I said, I did get 2 of them, but still, this is a lot more than I expected. Okay. Oh, these are cute little pens. So cute. So they all have different designs on them. Pens. That's what the box looks like. And then inside, different purples. I love purple, and looks like a couple of white ones. Checklist. So cute. Let's see. Oh, super cute. Keep early hours. Oh, this is so cute. So it says keep early hours, and then it has the month and the days of the week. So some little things to do each day. So this is almost like a little like sleep chart almost, maybe for a baby or something, or you could use it for whatever. That's really cute. Oh, this is adorable. And it looks like this in the front. So adorable. It says word book. So basically just a notebook, but it's ruled like this. Pretty cool. And I like that because you can save your page with that. Oh, look, and you can even pop these out to save your page as well. That's cool. Still more. Here we go, stickers. Space theme, that's awesome. Gianni will love that. That's cute. Let's see what else we got. Oh, this is really beautiful. So some more sticky notes. It's beautiful. Beautiful sunset. And then this one has a bunch of little characters on it. It says sweet. She really put a lot of stuff in this box. Friends, and this is a little to-do list. Oh, this is cute. It's like a little checklist, the date. This could be like a sticker chart that I could use for Gianni. Like, you know, he gets 5 across, he gets a prize. That's a really good one. That's really cool. Let's see. This is like a little binder clip. So cute. This is summer on the back. It's like cardboard. And the only thing is I wish she had separated it maybe into like 2 little boxes, like same box, but 2 packages, so I could have known what was in each package. But other than that, it's totally cool. This is cute. Another little lined list chart you could do. I love all of the designs. So pretty. Oh, some little number stickers. Little stickers. Very glittery. Oh, these are cute. Sticky notes. Box goes on and on. Aww. I love that. I love the purple and I love the hearts. The buffalo check. Very cool. And again, these are sticky notes. So that's pretty cool. Okay. So are these stickers or transfers? So some stickers. Purple. This girl knew. Somehow she knew I liked purple. I didn't tell her. That was just lucky. But and there's pink. What is this? Some little tickets. Okay. That's interesting. That's kind of interesting. That's cool. They're from different places. Theater ticket, Madrid, the Beatles in concert. That's so cool. What? Oh my goodness. Airline ticket for Chicago. That's kind of cool. Those are really cute little mementos. Couple more items. Okay. Oh, these are pretty. So these are cute. Some like little stamps. Look how pretty those are. Planets. Gianni loves planets. These are adorable. This one's in here. Cute little notebook. So lined paper inside. And this is so cute. Look at all the little adorable characters. The fox, so cute. It says sweet. More sticky notes. And then this is the last item in here. Very cute. Wow, look at this. So this is interesting. These are actually sticky notes, sticky tabs, like page markers. That is so cool. I'm glad I opened it because they don't have sticky on them, but definitely page markers or something like that. I thought it was a fan, but that's really cool. So I kind of did open some things as I went along. I know I said I'd open them all at the end, but I just couldn't wait. So now I'll show you a couple of the things that were sealed that we can get a better look at. So these are the pens. So this design right here with the grape. And this also has almost like a cute little, I can't tell if it's a grape or like a raspberry. I don't know. Yeah, actually, I think it's a raspberry. So this cute little design right here in the light purple. And then this is a little bit of a darker purple. Same character, just a little bit of a different design. And then we have a white one. So 3 different designs. Okay, so it's a total of 12 pens. 3 different designs. Pretty cool. Okay. So the other item that was kind of cool were these. I'm pretty sure they're highlighters, but I was pretty sure that other long piece of paper was a fan and it was actually sticky notes. So, but let's see. Yeah, these are definitely highlighters. So highlighters. These are really pretty pastel colors too. So there they are. So there they are. So 6. Super cute. And this is what was waiting for me when I first opened it. And it says pretty things inside. Very cute mystery box. Like I said, I just wish that she had separated them so then I could have been like, this was the small and this was the medium. Descriptions were pretty accurate from what I remember. So what do you guys think? I think that was super fun. I love ordering the mystery boxes from time to time. I think it's a lot of fun. You never know what you're gonna get, but she did a really good job from the description. And I think most of the sellers on Etsy try really hard to do that. I haven't had any bad experiences yet. So hopefully I never will. But yeah, links to the shop will be down below. Like I said, these particular boxes are not there now, but it doesn't mean they won't be there again. She probably just sold out. Okay, so I actually laid out the tissue paper that the seller included in the box, and I wanted to show you a close-up of a couple of the items that were in the box that we didn't actually get a good look at. This adorable little journal is so cute. I love it. And sorry about the reflection. You can actually see the ceiling. It's because it has a little case on it. But look at how beautiful the inside of this journal is. And then when you flip through it, I love the antique look to it. I think it's so beautiful. So there is that book right there. And then the back looks like that. So the same as the front. And then there's the back of the cute little journal. So next is a sticker pack, and this is actually the one that she included when I first opened the box, and it says pretty things inside. I'm going to take out the stickers and lay them out so you can see what they look like. They're super, super cute. So look how adorable these stickers are. I just love how they are. Definitely kawaii design everywhere, and I love this one. You are my star, the little paw print, sweetheart with the envelope. And I just love the little bunny too. Super, super cute. These will actually be really great to use in my journal. I'm looking forward to using them in that. And I might even include them in friend mail. So these are just absolutely stunning. Way, way beyond any expectations. I never would have expected anything like this to be included. And these are just beautiful. Gianni loves space, and I also love space and all celestial type of art. And these are just so gorgeous. That one says travel to space. I'll read you the quotes in a second. I just wanted to show you what they look like. So, so stunning. So this little stamp right here says travel to the space. That says moon. I love how she made that one look like a stamp. It says as I walked out one evening. Riviera right there. So pretty. The universe is unique. That one says travel to the space. That's another one that says the universe is unique. And if you hear somebody talking in the background, that's Gianni. And then these last two say star and shine. So these I'm definitely going to use in a journal and do some kind of a spread for space. They're just so gorgeous. I wanted to share them with you. They're just so gorgeous, and I definitely want to use them for something special. The next one is the ephemera, the tickets, and all the different stubs that she sent. I'm just gonna lay them out and give you a quick look at them. Okay, so here they are. This is just so awesome. I've been meaning to put together another junk journal, and I've actually been meaning to do some other journaling. So these are definitely great for that, or they're just really cool. Again, did not expect this in this package, and I was really, really surprised and happy that the seller decided to include these as well. Very inspirational. Gives me a lot of ideas. Okay, and this is the last batch of stickers. These are so adorable as well. I just think they're so cute. I think this one's my favorite in that collection with the little cat masks. So cute. And then all the washi tape samples, so cute. Some more space stickers and the glittery letters and numbers. Let's see if you can see it if I hold it up. I had so much fun opening this. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I hope that you liked what was inside. I think it was super cute. I'm definitely going to order from this seller again, and I do have about 3 or 4 more Etsy boxes from different sellers coming in. So I'm going to have some more mystery box unboxings. I have some stickers, some Hello Kitty. And let me know if you liked this video. Let me know what your favorite item was. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to comment down below, like the video, hit the subscribe button and the post notification bell so you know next time I upload and every time I upload. And if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe. I'm gonna have another giveaway at 300 subscribers, and I have a lot of really fun, cool stuff to put in that giveaway. I cannot wait to share it with you. Have a wonderful day. I will see you all in the next one. Bye.